Here's a powerful shift in thinking. Don't just teach a skill, reveal the secret behind it. Definitions, examples, anchor charts, those tell students what a skill is. And knowing what is important, but it's not the secret to mastery. Mastery comes from knowing how to execute the skill. And the truth is that students don't gain know-how from watching us do the work. They gain it when we reveal what's going on in our heads while we're doing it. Students don't naturally possess the thinking that develops reading and writing skills. Those mental moves aren't instinctual, they're invisible. That's why we need to teach explicitly and with clarity. When modeling a new skill to readers or writers, we must divulge our thinking, disclose our reasoning, unveil the mental moves. Teaching explicitly requires describing the parts of the skill that they can't see, the decision-making process. As identified by John Hattie within his meta-analysis research, explicit teaching, the ability to clearly reveal how a skill works, that's one of the most significant influencers on improving student learning. So tomorrow, choose a skill your students are struggling with. Then plan exactly what you'll reveal during your demonstration. What will you notice? What will you question? What will you adjust? What will you decide? Leave nothing to mystery. Let them in on the secret.